Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this device, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HAYLOU Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we can open the HAYLOU Phone application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on the Me icon and then select our HAYLOU GS from the list of devices. Here, find the option called Device Settings and tap on it. And as you can see right here, we have the option called 24 hours, this one, and we can change the time format by simply disabling and enabling this option. So if you want to have a 12-hour format, simply disable this option. And if you want to have 24-hour format, enable this option. Quite simple. And once you're done, you can simply close the app. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.